want to say thank you to all of you. For being so supportive, especially during my first trimester, and for being so understanding with regards to my case, and for all the patience, the love, the help, and the very, very big support that I received from all of you. Thank you very much, especially to Ma'am, who was always been there. That's why she got to know that I was a crying baby. And of course, thank you very, very much, Dr. Gambi, I had the chance to work here in Adama I didn't realize I would be here for 4 years. But actually, I really did enjoy so much my work, especially having my doctor as Dr. Fadi, who was also very, very supportive and second real dad for me, because my real dad is no more here. So I found another dad alive in his personality. That's why it's very hard also for me to leave Adama, and he's one of them. And I hope Charlene will take care of our dad.
Nasaan si Charlene?
He's really one of us.
Malis.
Thank you to all of you.
Hey, baby ko. Ouch.
Thank you, Doctor.
This is from me.
From Army.
So recycled brown. Okay, and this is from my girls. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So where's the kabsa?
Yeah.
With Bismillah. Okay. Can we hear a little inspiration from Dr. Gam?
Inspiration.
When you come from your country to a new country, it's very difficult, especially the first 6 months. So difficult. People are not, they don't know anybody, no father, no mother, no family, nobody, just alone. I don't know how would you think when you're in the airplane coming here. Remind me of myself when I went to Canada. I went there, I know nobody. I was in the airplane alone, no family, nothing. So, I am in your shoes at that time. So, it's so courageous from you guys when you come here and spend time in a foreign country. And it's a very close country, by the way. It's a very conservative country. And I know that. And then you survive and you work. And this is meaning that all of you are so courageous. I admire this from you, and I like it from you. And sometimes you walk in an area where there is, no support except your friends. So you should be all together. You should be like all one group. I know there should be difference. Brother and sister, they fight. So, but at the end, you have a mom. She can solve problem, and at the end, you have only yourself together. That's the thing. You're the group, and you have each other. So, for the people who are going, thank you very much. We appreciate everything you did for us and for them. And for the people who stay, I hope you will enjoy your stay here in China. And I hear that that there's like 5 or 6 people are going like in the next 6 months. And I hope they will enjoy the next 6 months with us. Thank you very much.
If Dr. Gamdi will oblige, because it doesn't happen all the time, we will grab him to have a picture for the 3 of you. Okay.
From the fourth.
Four and a half. Doctor, can I get a picture of everyone?
Yes. What is this?
Maganda ka rin.
Maganda na yan.
There will be like a concert.
Dapat may upo.